just taken delivery of a nice little package, which is the new, for goodness sake, there we are, 3D gel number plates. To and from whether to get these or not. I wasn't sure whether they were all road legal or not, but these ones are, because they have the BSAU number at the bottom of them. These are from simplyplate.co.uk. I'm not sponsored by them, but very fast delivery. A few days after I ordered them, they're here. Decent price. I think I paid £35 for these, and they're really nice, excellent. So I plan on fitting these to replace the ones that are there, obviously. Not broken or damaged, but the ones that are there have been drilled through, and I just don't like that. It's just not a clean look. So I'm going to go for these and try and stick them on, but it involves bending the front one to suit the Mercedes, because on the SL, the front number plate is bent around the bumper, and it's held on with 4 bolts, 4 screws. But I just don't like that look. I just think it looks messy. I prefer the clean look. CDO, which is OCD in alphabetical order. So how are we going to do that? So what I'm going to do is heat this up and bend it over a handle or something like that, and then weight it down at each side, give it a curve, and we'll leave it for a day and we'll see how it gets on. So I'll go and do that just now. Okay, let's try it this way. I'll get MC hammer, put in there. We want this roughly to bend around that much. That'd be perfect. Okay, so let's see if this works. Of course it will work. Ye of little faith. Starting to become fireable already. Yep. So all we need to do that is bent using that. What we'll do now is we'll weigh it down, and we shall leave it. We'll see if that works over a few hours. Okay, let's leave that. We'll come back later on. A few hours for me, probably 2 minutes for you. And just went a slight bit more extreme, put something slightly taller underneath it, and we'll leave that sit for another wee while. And we cannot possibly do this without cleaning everything, even the bits you don't see. To be honest, more cleaning this so that the new sticky pads stick to it a bit better, but I'd be cleaning it anyway. I can't take it, it's dirty. I'm getting the gasket scraper out and everything. We're getting rid of all the old stuff, and it's going to look magic. Now, some people have said this wouldn't work, but when this number plate is off the car, it's still bent, so the sticky pads aren't really holding it in shape. It's already bent to shape because we heated it up, and look at that, that's much better, much cleaner. And I filmed this a good few weeks ago, and both number plates, the front one as well, are still on. So, great success! So please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos on this and other cars. We will be doing the valve cover gasket repair very soon. Doing some more carbon fibre wrapping, might spray paint the wheels, and we'll do some reviews on some 12-volt Bluetooth adapters. So stay tuned, and thank you again for watching. Ciao!